I think this is the first time in recent times when various interests in Alibo have been able to speak with one voice. Ohanese was there. AGF was there. Pan-Igbo organizations were there. Pan-European organizations were there. ACOM was there. PASOM was there. And everybody spoke with one voice. Our leaders, Igbo leaders of thought, Igbo Elders Forum, Igbo Women Association, everybody was here. We have found our oneness. We have found our common interest. We have found our common business. And we have found what we believe to be our future. Either in Nigeria, that is, when we stay in Nigeria, indeed, have to be recognized as an autonomous region. An autonomous region which, if our neighbors run the Alibo, want to be part of it, we can create what we can call the United States of be based on the principle of self-determination. The Igbos will not force anybody to go with that. We will not force anybody to go with that. And we have found that is what we want, an autonomous region in control of land, economy, and resources, judiciary, international relations, our security. If our neighbors don't want this, people and their neighbors will assert their fundamental human rights as a people to establish themselves, establish their own autonomous republic in this place created by God. A land which God has created, let everybody be. We are not born to be slaves to anybody, and we can't be slaves to anybody. We've traced the history of Igbo nation from the very beginning, since Igbo nation in West Haiti, in South Africa, since in America. We have been great purveyors of the spirit of freedom and self-determination. That's what we say we are saying. And we thank God for this very day.
Thank you so much. Thank you.